folks, I sure didn't keep up with my word on making videos more often yet, but I'm working on it. I'm working on it. So anyhow, I'm here at Canyon, Texas, and just down the road, that way, is Palo Duro Canyon, Texas's Grand Canyon, or the United States' second Grand Canyon. Here they have a zip line, not at the state park, but here at the place I'm staying at, they have a zip line, and that's the name of the place there. But anyhow, I'm really doing this video about my trailer, my old trailer, which I'm going to show you. You've seen it before, but what happened to it? Let me show you. All right, so while putting this thing here on, I noticed this right here. It was not there much, very long ago. Let me see if I can get out of the shadow. Right there. It wasn't there that long ago. I hit some pretty big bumps on the highway, and this being, and the weight of the trailer, and this being only a 4-inch rectangular tube frame or tongue, it just really can't handle that. Let me show you what happened last year. And by the way, I'm just about ready to get rid of this as soon as I get home. Matter of fact, I think it's next week the new trailer will be delivered, and once I get home in April, I will go pick it up. And it's not going to be a V-nose anymore. So basically, right here forward is going to be, it's not going to be a V-nose, so it's going to be a round, sort of a round front, and it's going to go to this nose and then a foot further, and then from there it's going to be four more feet. So it's going to be overall length of 20 foot, and the housing part, or the storage part, is going to be 16 foot. This is only 15 right here. So it's going to give me a whole lot more room. Plus, it will no longer have fenders. The walls are going to come all the way out to the edge of the tires. So it's going to be more room on the inside, side to side. I beat the hell out of this trailer. Anyhow, so this is what happened last time, about a year ago or so. And I had it reinforced. It was cracked from here all the way around, except for the bottom. I don't know how it stayed together, but I had it reinforced, and I'm going to have that side over there reinforced too. But the trailer, for what I have put it through, is doing relatively well. Considering how much weight I have in it, 7,000 pounds. It's a 7,000 pound trailer, and I'm right probably at the limit, or maybe even over. It's close. But the bus is doing fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. That's coming off. I'm going to put it on the new trailer. I might even get a second one for the back, which is supposed to have. The new trailer is going to have 14 ply tires on it. So each tire will be able to handle 4,000 pounds. So that's 12,000 pounds total. So if I lose a tire, I can drive for a while with only 3 tires if I need be. I'm going to have to buy another one of them to put in because I got a 50-gallon freshwater tank, but that's going to go away because I'm going to go to 100 gallons. But anyhow, I just figured I'd check in with you guys and let you know everything is going well. I'm almost home. Be home by the 1st of April because I have um, reservations at a campground, Cedar Hill State Park campground. I'll be there for 2 months. But other than that, everything's going good. Engine is running great. I finally fixed my brake controller, and this is the weird part. I don't know if any of you are struggling with this, but my brake controller for the trailer was shorting out. We couldn't figure it out. I couldn't figure it out. I was taking wires apart and putting them back together and opening them out and all that stuff, and I just couldn't figure it out. And Mark Richardson, he's a I don't know what you call him, but anyhow, he knew a lot about electronics, and so we started troubleshooting, and we troubleshot it down to that thing there. This is the new one, but this thing here. And what happened was the circuit board in it went bad. So as soon as you disconnected the ground wire, on that breakaway, everything worked. So we knew then it was the circuit board had gone bad. So I bought a new one. I just put it on about an hour ago. So I haven't tested it out yet, but from Arizona to here, the brakes were working fantastic on the trailer. What else? I think that's about it. I'm selling my first e-bike, this one right here. I'm selling that because I have that. That one there, I blew 4 tires out in the Arizona desert, and it just didn't have the distance I wanted. I like this setup better with the higher handlebars, but everything is going good, and life is good. I'll be getting that tongue part fixed. It's bent next week. I'm just going to have it reinforced. But I hope everybody's doing well, and be safe out there, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.